and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love and the support that you guys have given to me here on YouTube. So if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, please I would appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell also to get an update whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be a very quick tutorial. So I just decided to make the tutorial. I don't know, it might be helpful to somebody. So that is why initially I didn't want to do it, but I just said let me just do it and just upload it. It might be helpful. So today, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut your two wrapper for your IGBO blouse, your George, especially the George wrapper. So the measurement that we're going to be using, it is a very simple process. So I'm just going to explain it and then we cut. So for plus size pressing, for the Igbo wrappers, we usually have one that is at the down and then the up one. The down one is usually fuller than the up one. So the up one is just like a fancy one. So it's the down one that is usually the main business of the day. So for somebody of a plus size, you are going to use 2 yards and 18 inches. So this measurement has been tried and it has worked. But for people that are extra large, you can use 2 yards and 30 inches. That's extra. As in when I say extra, you know what I mean. But normal average plus size person, you would use 2 yards and 18 inches. While normal size people, that's average size people, you will use 2 yards and 15 inches. Like me now, I'm an average size. I would use 2 yards and 15 inches. I could even reduce mine. That's if I want to. Like me personally, at times I even still reduce from that 15 inches. But 15 inches is like standard and then it will work perfectly well. That's for the first wrapper. So now I'm going to measure out my 2 yards and 18 inches and then show you how, and then we're going to cut it out. So this is 36 and then you measure 36 again and then you measure your 18 inches. So this is 18 inches and then you put a notch, a tiny notch like this, and then so I'm going to go to the down part and then I will measure the same thing that I measured here. So I'm going to put a notch. So I'm going to fold it and lay it out straight and then show you how to cut it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it. So I put a notch. So I'll take it and join it with the notch that I added on top initially. So the next one that I'm going to cut now is the one that is going to be on the up wall. That's the upper part, which is 2 yards and 16 inches for a plus size person and then 2 yards and 12 inches for a normal size. So I'm just going to go through the same process. So once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to tie it on my mannequin so that for you to see. So I'm going to show you how to tie now. So this is the down wrapper. So you spread your legs. So there are some you can decide to add rope to your wrapper, and then this is the upper one. So what you are going to do, you are going to, so for the upper one, there are some people they normally cut out this top part to make it short, but that will make it not to be too full. So mine, I don't want to cut, so I'm just going to take it like this. So you need to tie them, let them be on top, the designs, let it be on top of each other like this. So you just tie it to the back, however. So you see what I have? I'm looking like a bride, right? So it looks so beautiful. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, I will appreciate if you hit on the like button. Thank you so much. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Bye, bye, bye.